fire whip right there. I think it's a different kind of orange. That's like actual orange. Just got a clean wash on the skeezy. On the skeezy. YouTube, what's that? I just opened up this cam. Not the camera, but I just opened up this new microphone. Let me know what you guys think about the quality. Dabbling into some different kinds of tech, some different audio additions to the channel. As y'all can tell, we bringing a cinematic vlog. Today's a fire bridge in Austin, Texas. If you do not know, I'll be in Texas with it. And how about it's going to be the 360 bridge ski, man. It's gonna be exciting. I've been waiting to bring this video to the channel because I've heard nothing but good things about the bridge, and I'm gonna be shooting a lot of cinematic style films within the next few months. So don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Check out my previous content, see if this aligns with the type of creators you like to watch, man. Let's hop right into this video. It's your boy Dregatsby. Hit that like button and sub. But actually, I think I'm just gonna stop saying that. I don't think you telling somebody to do something is going to do it. I think you should better understand how to give in order to just attract the things that you want. Because like if we thinking on a psychological level, what does me telling you to like the video actually do? What is up, YouTube? As you can tell, it's your boy Dregatsby coming with another video on the channel today. We got a big 392 Skullscat sitting in the bay right now. You know, we bought a little building, this, you know what I'm saying? It's like, I'm at the car wash right now. I just got this baby washed for this video today. No way we bring a dirty car to a cinematic vlog. As you can tell by the title, if you haven't already, man, you already know what to do. I don't even have to tell you because you did it already. So I just want to start out by saying I'm using some new audio, some new tech to the channel just to improve our overall quality of our content. And I'm excited to bring that today. I got me a mic on. Let me know what y'all think about the audio, the quality of the audio. And yeah, let's check out this beauty. Just got a clean wash on the skeezy. On the skeezy. They don't call me Dreski for no reason. You know what I mean? Sheesh. Really like those rims on here. Just want to start out with some cinematic vlogs, you know? All right, y'all, as you can tell, we just put up to the 360 bridge, which is right over there. We got the Tonka over here looking crazy. Gold mango should be something sexy. Oh my god, I can definitely say, bro, even though it's not as easy to like have a car like this, bro, you appreciate it 10 times more when you take care of it. Meaning not hitting curbs. You know what I'm saying? This color is amazing, so I honestly want you to, it makes you pay attention a little more. But that is a fire whip right there. I think it's a different kind of orange. That's like actual orange. You see what I'm saying? But this is like gold mango orange. But the bridge over there looks crazy. Like, I really just like the whole aesthetic. The whole time I actually just seen security like pull up. He's like right behind us, if y'all can see. But he didn't say nothing, so I think we might be good. Just so y'all know, I'm not gonna stay here long. I'm not gonna stay parked here long because the entrance is right there. So I'm gonna move shortly, but I'm gonna get some cinematic shots just so I can get that background of those houses all the way up there, bro. Can y'all see that? The camera is not even going that far. It's crazy. But you can tell it's beautiful views over here, man. This is what it's about. Got the boats off the lake right here. And this is fire. I can actually see people all the way at the top of the cliff right there, right in front of the 360 bridge. So I think this place is pretty cool. If you are in Austin, you probably should check this out, man. Not even gonna lie, this is an amazing view for car people, but also family oriented people. I think this is amazing, to be honest. My favorite part is probably being able to see the water right off of the grass or the boat view. You know what I'm saying? If that is something that you like to do. I personally love water. I was born in July, so You know what I'm saying? I guess that could tell you what this means. Let's go get some cinematic shots of this beauty to make this vlog 10 times better. In 3, 2.
Hey, Rick and Thad.
YouTube, you just got active. Hopefully this thing is staying alive, man. It's new. So we just got some fire shots of the Tonka, the big Skullscat, man. Fire edition. And man, I don't even know what kind of car that was that bro's in. It's on fire though. That's more of a supercar. Bro, it's a crazy like Hornet trying to get me or something. But I'm about to go check out some different view angles of the 360 bridge over there. So stay tuned while we go and find a whole new parking spot, whole new parking area to get some more shots, man. I really love this lake, bro. Maybe we'll shoot a video from the lake one day, man. But what I can say is there's more spots to get shots of the whip. So I'm still gonna do some searching around here and get some more shots. I'm not really gonna rush the video, but I do wanna keep my tempo fast just because it's getting dark, as you can tell. It's a little dark. They playing bangers over there on the pool though, I'm not even gonna lie. Yo, trying to be sweet. Alright y'all, so originally what I did was I came over, I went past the 360 bridge too far. So what I'm gonna do is actually, I'm gonna go down one level and see if I can get to some better parking towards the lake, which is on the other side of the bridge. So don't go up there if you're trying to stay for a while. And I'm trying to like actually do a vlog here, especially because the sun has gone down some, so I'm not like scorching hot currently, which is good because now I can actually vlog and get more creative. But I've never been down this far, and actually I'm going like under the bridge right now. But I see a lot of cars here so far, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna probably park somewhere near here. I see people bringing like kayaks and everything right there. That's pretty cool. That's a nice color boat. It's like turquoise or like, you know, like that aqua blue. I really like that for real. But I'm just gonna post up right here, take some cinematic vlogs. That shit's clean as hell. But yeah though, we're about to probably go up top to the rooftop of the parking garage and get more cinematic shots until they take a crack at your boy. Not even gonna lie to you. YouTube, so I know we've seen this place before, but right now I'm gonna turn because I'm actually gonna go on top of the hill over there. Can't really see because I'm inside of the whipski, but we just gotta bust a left, and then we gotta bust another left, make a right, and then turn around, do another circle, go back to the same place you came from, do a loop, go to the top of the first street on the main side of the road. You want to make a left and then go right, and then keep traveling on down the road, and then you gonna find yourself at the top of the hill. Thanks for coming to my directional lesson class today. Thanks, guys. All right, y'all, we just made it past the light finally. The light took me about 30 minutes. So we're gonna find a new way to get to the top of the hill. All right, guys, so we had to hit a U-turn. Whoa, I just seen like 17 bike riders. Bridgepoint Plaza, that looks pretty nice. Sheesh. I like this area a lot for real. YouTube, so before we get up out of here, before we go to the top of that hill all the way over there, I just wanted to bring the tunk on the top of the roof to get more cinematic shots, bro. But also just to get a full walk around, kind of discuss the Skullscat. Get in. Definitely gotta go. Forged carbon fiber, trunk, and the hood, and on the front hood. You see what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all thoughts are on that. Possibly may go silver to match the aesthetic inside of the forged carbon fiber edition. YouTube, all right, y'all. So shit, y'all come behind the scenes with your boy. I'm gonna go to the hills to finish the vlog, but I hope I'm going the right way though. To be honest with you, so I take my behind all the way up. All right, guys. So I guess I came the wrong way. I believe I gotta go the area I just drove from, but I don't know, bro. I'm trying to finish out this vlog for y'all. But at this point, I'm just going on a wild goose chase and trying not to get in like spiders trying to take me out the game, man. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck? What's on my leg? So I'm about to find it, bro. Y'all stay tuned, guys. YouTube. So I finally asked one person and they helped your boy out. I went down instead of up. You should. Why would I even go down? You should always go up. You should, right? I always think to go up, chat. I don't know, but it's not that far. This is my first time here, and I never walked on this trail before, but I actually been to another place up here called Mount Manil. Man, this view is crazy. Look at that, but